Welcome to Crypto Vista Academy, your gateway to mastering crypto with confidence. Learn, grow, succeed one block at a time, empowering you to build wealth in the digital age. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Your journey starts now.
What is Bitcoin and why was it created? Welcome back to Crypto Vista Academy, where crypto gets simple, step by step. Today, we're diving into the king of all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. What is it really? Why was it created? And why is everyone still talking about it after all these years? Let's break it down. No stress, no hype, just straight understanding. Let's go. Why was Bitcoin created? Let's go back to 2008. The world was in serious trouble. Banks were collapsing, the stock market was crashing, and people were losing their savings overnight. The financial system was broken. Trust was gone. Banks could make risky decisions with your money, and if they failed, you paid the price. Now imagine this. In the middle of that chaos, a person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto published something called a white paper. That white paper introduced the world to a new idea, Bitcoin, a digital currency that no one controls, but everyone can trust. Bitcoin was created because people were tired of depending on governments and banks that could easily fail. Satoshi's idea was simple but powerful. What if we had money that wasn't controlled by anyone? What if we could send money without needing a bank? What if we could own our money fully, without permission? That's why Bitcoin was born, not just as currency, but as a movement. So, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is digital money that runs on something called a blockchain, a public record of all transactions. No central authority. No bank. It's peer-to-peer, meaning I can send it directly to you, and no one can stop it or block it. All transactions are verified by a network of computers around the world, called nodes. Once verified, it's locked in permanently. And here's the wild part. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. No one can create more. Not even the creators. This makes it scarce, and that scarcity creates value. It's kind of like digital gold. People don't just use Bitcoin as money, they use it as a store of value, a way to protect wealth, especially in countries with unstable currencies. How is Bitcoin used today? People use Bitcoin in different ways. To store value, like a long-term savings account. To send money internationally, fast and without middlemen. To protect their wealth from inflation and currency collapse. You don't need permission from a bank. You don't need a physical branch. All you need is a wallet and you're in. Bitcoin has become more than just money. It's a symbol of freedom, digital ownership, and financial power in your hands. What do you think? Now that you know the backstory and the vision behind Bitcoin, let me ask you, do you think Bitcoin is the future of money? Or is it just hype that will fade? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read and reply to every one of you. What's next? Now that you understand what Bitcoin is and why it was created, it's time to go one step deeper. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to get your first crypto wallet and how to receive Bitcoin step by step. That's where it gets real. So hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.